What is up, guys? Today we are going to be doing a video of something. So I got this little pad that has some stuff on it. You can't see it because otherwise it will wick the supply. So I got some stuff in it. I got instructions, and I'm keeping the actual thing in this box because I'm going on holiday and I'm going to be doing some videos about that as well. So first thing we got, I've already wired it up and stuff. So first thing we got is we plugged it into this weird thing. So just like that, and then I got a fire alarm. Anyway, okay, so it came off this very long cord, and at the end of this cord is a pull station. Inside the pull station, you ask? So basically, once you pull it down, it automatically flicks the switch like that, and then that red light turns on, and then it says activated. See, and you can see that light and it says activated. So yep, so we are now going to be testing it. Oh, and in case you're wondering, in this book, I take the book and a pen everywhere I go. So it's a fire alarm test book, and it's got some, I know, things you can't see, and it's got time, date, and person. So the first one was at 4:10 p.m. 9th of the 7th 2017 by me, and then 4th of the 12th 9 of the 7th of the 17th by my brother Sam. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so let's go ahead and test the alarm. So I'm just gonna move. Okay, so I moved back a little bit, so I put it on the ground because it used to be up there. So I put it here, so then you can see it better. So got the pull station and the fire. So let's see if it works. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the lights going on. Yep, so that's basically it. But there's some problems with this one. That strobe light isn't working. As you can see, the strobe light is not working. So that's a bummer. Anyway, it's got 3 tones, so we're going to check them out. So that was the first one. Okay, and then the second one is like this. Like that. And then the third one is like this. So that's also pretty cool. So if you are looking to buy one, because they're pretty cool, so the things you would need is a pull station, a fire alarm, screwdriver, a plug, like just the plug, and then a plain piece of wire. And then shout out to Safety, SER Safety, because if it wasn't for him I wouldn't be making this video right now. So shout out to him, and check out his video. He told me how to wire up fire alarm, so that's what made me got it, as I said. Yeah, so that's basically it. So maybe my next video will probably be so my next video will probably be about my holiday. Oh, and Ben, if you're watching this, I got something for you. Hold on. Yep. So Ben, if you're watching this, in case you're wondering, this is Ben. So here's a channel as well, the Benage Factor. Oops. Don't worry, Ben, I can fix that. So Ben, if you want this, you can just tell me at school or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. So good. Bye. Peace.